Hey guys, welcome back to the Soul Experience.
The podcast to enlighten your mind and comfort your soul.
In this episode 19, we're going to be talking about how you can manifest your thoughts into reality as fast as possible. I'm Carolina, he's Gerardo, and we're cute as fuck. So,
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we're going to be talking about manifestation, how to do that, like
Yeah, how you can bring those
those
thoughts
THOTS.
right here. I'm thinking about $10.
I'm just waiting. Okay, so
First step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality: affirmations. I am rich.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, you want to repeat what you want. So if you want to be, let's say, what do you want to be?
Pretty.
If you
I'm
want to
just
be pretty, I mean, you already are pretty. No,
Yeah.
let's just use it as an example.
Oh.
Okay, you want to be pretty, then this is what you do. You have to tell yourself you're pretty. Tell yourself you're beautiful. Tell yourself that you're the finest. You're the most beautiful. You're the cutest girl or guy ever. You have to constantly tell yourself that, and you have to believe it. You have to believe that you're this amazing, most beautiful thing ever. You repeat it. You just speak it into existence. Your words are very powerful. You have
Very
no idea.
powerful.
So you can say, I am pretty. I am beautiful. I am a model. I am
Attractive.
I am attractive. I am everything that I want to be. I have the perfect body. I am happy with who I am. You have to say all these things because what you say is what becomes. If you say, oh, why am I ugly? Why am I this? I'm so ugly. I wish I had different hair. I wish my eyes were different color. I wish I was skinny. I wish my nose was different. Those, when you say that, you just manifest more of that negativity.
Yeah, exactly.
And if you start to say that you're pretty, that you're beautiful, you start not only building your confidence, but people start to see that confidence in you. They start to see that beauty in you because you believe it yourself. You start to have this shine, this glow, and people are just like, oh my god,
wow,
how did I not know this before? She cute. But yeah, just speak it into existence. Believe it. And just repeat it over and over every single day and make sure that's the only things coming out of your mouth are the positive things that you want. No more complaining, no more talking bad about yourself or about the things that you don't have. Talk about the things you want as if you already got them and they'll come right to you like magic.
Exactly.
So just trust.
We did this microphone right here.
Yeah, we made this happen.
Yeah, we did.
The universe literally gave me money to buy it.
It was like here you go. You want a microphone? There you go.
Yeah.
Some shmoney.
Other different types of affirmations. I am happy. I am wealthy. I am healthy. Repeating these over and over again and believing them will just bring them there. I mean, it's really easy. You just have to stick to it. You just have to really dedicate yourself to doing it, especially in the mornings. Doing it in the mornings right after waking up is a perfect time because you just got out of the astral realm and you're still a little bit connected, and it'll just help bring those manifestations even faster.
Exactly. I was going to say something and I totally forgot.
That's okay. Second step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality.
Visualization.
Yeah, visualization. Before you go to sleep, preferably you want to visualize what you want. Let's say you want to be wealthy.
Yeah.
Or us, for example, we want to live together. We want to be wealthy. So what you would do is we would visualize right before bed, or really any time of the day. You can do it, but right before bed is a good time to do it.
Just think about it.
Think about what it would be like.
Think about the details.
Yeah, the exact details of what you want. Be as specific as you can. Imagine the apartment that you're in. Imagine what you're doing. For us, for example, we'd imagine what apartment we're in.
Yeah.
Or what house we're living in. How much money we have. How much success we're having.
What our studio looks like.
Yeah, what our podcast studio looks like.
If we're going to buy fluffy pillows for the couch.
Yeah, just visualize everything as specific as you can. And not only visualize, but feel what it would feel like to have those things there. And it'll help bring those manifestations.
I just remembered what I was going to say.
What?
Okay, so to attract something, you have to be vibrating at the same frequency as it.
Yeah, exactly.
Boom.
And in order to vibrate at that same frequency, you have to believe that you already have it. You have to be it.
Exactly.
So if you want to be wealthy, then be wealthy in here. And guess what will happen in this reality?
You're going to be wealthy as fuck.
Exactly. But yeah, visualize as much as you possibly can, because that'll be a really, really powerful method to creating your reality, the reality that you want.
Exactly. I mean, next thing you know, we're already living together, and it's like, whoa. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Third step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality: listen to your spirit guides. They're always with us, all the time. You see them through repeating numbers, through signs from the universe, coincidences, all these things.
Cute little animals.
Yeah, little animals that you see constantly all the time, just following you around. It's your spirit guides. They're trying to guide you on the right path.
I see a bird.
Yeah, you always see birds.
Yeah.
Like this little specific little tiny chubby
little
bird.
chubby like brown birds. Freaking adorable.
And so the way they communicate could be through repeating numbers, which I mean that's probably the easiest way.
The easiest way to communicate with you.
Yeah, you just research whatever those numbers mean, and you go based off of what resonates with you. And they either give you like advice on what you're doing right or what you're doing wrong and what you want to change, or like they tell you what's coming into your life so that you can prepare for it. And it's really nice knowing that there's like people, or there's not people but entities taking care of you.
They're just like watching,
guiding you.
They're out there.
You're never alone.
Exactly. I mean, you can't see them, but they're there.
Yeah.
They're like, whoa, he's going through a tough time. I'm gonna give him a 222 right here. So that he never feels
That's
alone.
Exactly what happened to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. 222, which means I'm on the right path.
You're on the right path. With me.
Fourth step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality: be honest with yourself.
Be honest.
And what you're feeling, what you're thinking, how you really are. I know you want to be perfect on this enlightenment path right away, but it's not always going to be like that. Sometimes you struggle with it. Sometimes maybe you're not doing everything you're supposed to be doing.
Especially if you're just starting off.
Yeah, especially if you're starting off.
It's going to be really hard for you to like let go of things that have been with you your entire life.
Yeah, it's a process. So just be honest with yourself. Like maybe, let's say you think you're doing really, really, really well, but you're still hooked on the same habits that you've been hooked on forever, even before you became enlightened. Be honest with yourself and work on that. Like look at yourself.
Don't just ignore it.
Yeah, don't ignore it, because it's not something you just want to not give up. Like you with social media, me with weeds
from our garden. The weeds in the garden.
Exactly. You can't ignore them, because all these things,
they're gonna be there, and they're just gonna be holding you back from really growing.
Yeah. Like other things, like people that hold you back.
Oh,
you
friends.
know they hold you back, but you'd feel too bad letting them go, so you just don't. You can't ignore that. You have to really be honest. You have to just go within yourself, meditate, and realize what it is that is going wrong.
Have to love yourself enough to want to change, like, everything about everything that's like not good for you.
Yeah, because I mean, realize how many years were you alive where you didn't know anything about this and you were just stuck in this matrix. It's not like you can just wake up and leave all that matrix behind.
Just
It'll
like
come
that.
with you.
It's gonna come back, and it's gonna try to drag you back in there. But you have to, be consistent and persevere through the entire thing. Like, it's gonna be difficult and it's gonna suck sometimes, but once you get to where you want to be, you'll look back and be like, you know what, I'm really glad that I didn't give up, a quarter of the way through or like halfway through.
Exactly. Yeah.
So,
and also something you'd want to focus on maybe would be cleansing your chakras. That's one of the big things, because usually when we're asleep, when we're sheep, our chakras are all over the place.
Yes.
And if you focus on cleansing them, especially from the very beginning, it'll really, really help.
It'll really help
push you on your path.
A lot of the things that you like experience, like physically or emotionally, can be tied back to like chakras that are really blocked, and you just don't even know, because you didn't even know about chakras. But we did a video about chakras, and it's
have a video, so
it's gonna pop up on this corner over there. This is so weird. But yeah, chakras are super important. They're like the most important energy centers in your body, and you should pay attention to them, because it's where your body touches your soul.
Yeah,
and that's important. So
yeah,
cleanse them.
Fifth step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality.
Always have your manifestations in mind.
Yeah, you want to be thinking about them constantly throughout the day, all day, every day, as much as you possibly can.
You want a puppy? Just think about puppies all day.
Yeah. I mean, she thought about cats all day.
I thought about cats all day. I would watch cat videos, watch cute little, like, cat things.
Yeah, and now she has a tuxedo cat.
I know, so cute. I like how I told you, and you're just like, what is a tuxedo cat? Yeah, it's cute. He's wearing a tuxedo. Black and white. Oh, he's always dressed up. Okay, I need to call.
He's always wearing a tuxedo.
Okay, yeah. But always have your manifestations in mind.
Things that can help with that are like vision boards.
There's vision boards.
Where you can just write down all your goals.
Over there.
But don't just write them, I will be whatever your goals are. No, just write it as you already are. Like, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am happy, I am fulfilled.
I am strong, I am independent. You know, things like that. I have a Ferrari.
Even that. You can just write anything that you want as if you already have it. And whenever you do see that vision board, it'll just bring that into your thoughts, into your mind. You can read it out loud, which would be a part of the affirmations. Yeah. And it'll just strengthen your manifestations even further.
Yeah. You also have to
pushing it.
Constantly work towards what you want. You know, like working towards it is always going to keep your mind on that goal.
Like us, for example, we really want to enlighten a lot of people, hundreds of thousands of people. And so what we're doing is focusing our thought and our time on
how we can
this.
Keep doing that.
How we can keep growing our channel, how we can keep making videos that help people become enlightened. Because we just want to make our little contribution into the awakening. To the
enlightening process.
Yeah.
So, 6th step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality. To trust the universe.
Yeah, nothing's gonna happen if you don't trust the universe.
Nothing. You know what's gonna happen? The opposite.
Exactly. You. So basically, if you don't trust the universe, what does that mean? That means that you have doubt. And so, like, you can repeat all these affirmations all you want. You can visualize these things all you want. But if you're constantly doubting those becoming true, like, is this even gonna work? Am I being dumb? Is this even doing anything for me? Am I wasting my time? Guess what?
It's not gonna work.
You are wasting your time. Because you're actually not doing what you're supposed to be doing. So think about it like this. If you expect those affirmations to work or those visualizations to work, like, think about it. You're saying that your mind is that powerful to create those thoughts into reality. Right. But doubting it is also a thought. Oh. And so what are you going to be manifesting? Think about
nothing.
That. Yeah. I mean, your brain is powerful. Your thoughts are powerful. If you're thinking about your manifestations, you'll manifest that. But if you're also thinking about doubts and not having those manifestations, then that's what you're going to manifest.
Yeah, exactly.
So, I mean, it's a really, really complicated, difficult process. Yeah. It's hard.
It's really hard to, like, just let go and be, just not worry about anything.
It'll take you a while to really get far in the process. It could take months. It could take years. But that's okay. You just have to trust, and you just have to keep going. Like, we have this long lifespan, this long lifetime for a reason, so we can use it to grow. Yeah. That's why we've been going through so many lifetimes, so that we can grow spiritually.
Wow, that's a lot of lifetimes. You're probably like 3,000 years old.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm like 50.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I'm this little baby child.
Like, she has a brother who's like my age. Like, he seems like a kid person.
Can we not talk about that?
Okay, yeah, we won't talk about that.
Okay.
But yeah.
It kind of gives away, like, that I'm old.
How?
Older than you.
And? By like a year? Not even a year.
I'm such an old woman. My back is always hurting. Anyways.
Okay. Times are going to get difficult. There's going to be moments where you're going through some difficult times or something big happens, and it makes you question whether what you're doing is actually helping you out.
And you're going to feel discouraged sometimes.
Yeah, but realize that the universe works in divine order. It has to put you through certain situations
to really see that
you're worthy. Like, it has to know that you're worthy of your manifestations. Like, for example, let's say you want to be rich. Then the universe is going to put you through
a test,
through like financial struggles or things that have to do with money that are difficult on, like, managing your money or things like that. Because, like, if you won't know how to manage your money when you are rich, then you're just gonna end up losing it.
Yeah.
And so you have to be ready. The universe is just pretty much seasoning you up into what you need to be in order to in order to
He's just
receive your manifestations. Where'd chicken come out from? You're like, chicken.
I just thought about that. Like whenever you season the chicken when you're cooking, you're just like.
Yeah, I mean, you love my chicken.
Oh my god.
What? You don't like my chicken?
I do. Chicken.
Like, I mean the actual chicken that we make.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Chicken?
Yeah, but that was the last sign.
Yeah, that was the last
I mean, the last step on how to manifest your thoughts into reality.
Step. Wow.
Thank you guys for tuning in. We're working really hard on these episodes. We hope you guys appreciate.
I
mean, and if you don't think it's that great, let us know. Leave feedback.
Where we live.
Yeah, it's 11:05 p.m.
But we love it.
We love it. Yeah, we're all for it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share.
Follow us on Instagram
at the Soul Experience
O2.
As always, stay safe, stay aware,
and
we love you guys.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Scoot scoot.